What is up, everybody? Today I'm back playing Animal Jam, and we're going to level up Gummy Gecko to level 5. I'm gonna miss him, to be honest. I'm gonna miss him a lot. He's so close! Ah! Oh my god, he's level 5 now! He's finally level 5. Oh my god, I'm gonna miss this little guy. So now, we're gonna equip him. I'm in my friend Coco Car's den. Shout out to her. So now let's switch. Also, I got a Pteranodon. I bought it from my friend Lily. I didn't have to trade it. There we go, Gummy Gecko. Okay, I'm gonna mail Coco Car. Meet me at Sarapia Forest. I don't know how to correctly pronounce it. Sarapia Forest. Sarapia Forest. Sarapia Forest. Okay. Let's go. Oh my god, it's the big moment. Let's just wait for Coco Car to be with us. Or I'll just have to okay, let's first get to the place she's in. We're going back here. Is she in a trade? Coco Car. Hey, Coco Car. Oh, she is in a trade. Oof. Well, we're just gonna wait for her. Coco, come with me. Meet me at Sarapia. Ah! We're finally growing up, Gummy Gecko. Let's wait for her. Where is she? Okay, she gonna follow me? Follow me, follow me. Come on, Coco Car! Coco Car! No, stop going to the shop! It's time. Okay, let's go. Gummy Gecko. There he is. Gummy Gecko. Go. Oh my god. Oh my god! Oh my god! It looks amazing! Oh my god! He's all grown up! Okay, let's see the dance. So this is the dance. Groovy. The play. This is the play. It's like a little play. The hop. The sit. And asleep. This is so cool! This is so cool! Okay, time to customize him. Oh my god! He's all grown up. Look at him! Ah! Let's give him a hat. Let's actually give him like a hat. Okay. No, floppy. No, that's not good. I don't know what hat would look good on him. I think he'll just have like glasses on. Yeah, we're just gonna have glasses on. Or we could go like... Nah, no, we're not putting on glasses. But let's give him like a zookeeper hat. Yeah, that's so cool. That's so cute. And we're gonna give him like... oh my... Okay, poinsettia amulet. Then let's give him snowy... No, I already gave him wings. Then poinsettia tail armor. No, I don't think we need that. Okay, now let's get some shoes. Some snazzy shoes. Oh my god. These shoes look so bad on him. Okay, alpha glove. No, that's just a glove. It's not a special glove. Rollerblades. That makes me taller, but I don't know. He doesn't look good with shoes on. I guess that's just me though. Okay, I'm customized. Look how big he is! Gummy Gecko looks sick. Wait, what's this? Oh. Sorry, I'm coughing. He's so cool. I'm a Triceratops. Yeah. Alright, I guess I'll end the video here. Bye, guys.